Hey guys, just want to do a quick video on this 1986 Mercedes 560 SL we've got running right now in Nautical Blue Metallic over gray leather. The color code 929 Nautical Blue Metallic is a not common color, but certainly one of the most gorgeous colors. That's highly opinionated, of course, but I love the blue palettes on these 107s. It's a gorgeous color. It really comes alive in the sun and just illuminates. It's got some metallic in it, obviously. The gray leather interior is beautiful. It's all original. The seats haven't suffered from any UV damage or discoloration from sun and heat, things like that. They're all of the original hides. The armrest, carpet, the dash is original. The dash pad doesn't have any cracks. Sort of rare for these 560s getting up into the 40-year range almost, that they're gonna suffer some cracks. Anyways, the burl wood is also very nice and deep cherry color still, in excellent shape. It does have an aftermarket Clarion head unit. We don't have the Becker for this car. Sometimes they'll come with it. We can source a Becker, or you can go through Becker, New Jersey. So if you have serious interest on that, just reach out to us to discuss those options. Additionally, we've gone through the car since the last auction, added some things, did some mechanical items that had some loose ends we tied up, minor stuff, I believe it was a high beam on one of the lights, gear shift bushings, couple minor things, and as well as we did a deep clean through our pipeline, one of our detailers, where we steamed the bottom of the car. It looks great. Undercarriage on this car is in really nice condition. Car's coming out of New Jersey, and we got it here in California. So that individual that owned it did brand new tires. I believe they're 2021 date codes, 2021, 2022, I want to say. Continental Sport, probably have between 500 and 750 miles on them. So you got correctly sized tires, high-end brand like Continental, Conti. The soft top is in great shape. It's blue and there's no rips or tears. The glass is clear. The car drives excellent. It really has a nice performance to it. You have excellent acceleration. The steering is tight. The braking, everything is very well sorted on this car. Of course, the prior ownerships did a great job keeping it up, doing regular maintenance, doing deferred maintenance. So that stuff's all in order. Just a pleasure to drive this car. And right in that sweet spot, that low 60K range documented, is just sort of right in that sweet spot where you can drive it. You don't get scared to drive it too much. Still holds really nice value. Fantastic example. Bid with confidence. Nice 560 SL in Nautical Blue Metallic. Thank you very much.